Demand can't be heaven also. There's no harm. It can't be heaven also. You want anything you can write, anything you can demand. But ultimately, let us be realistic.
Usimbut Menteri Rangba oba Presiden Tingsong mentagasngi ulang baka Sorkar hakapor Kaba Biang kan seshimia karai habayade Halor kapang temmetor Iewmawlong. Oba Presiden ula krenya kini kakam namar bakidan kikinhun ke bay persya ekjing dawa jangka harijan panchayat committee baka Sorkar jela kan penbiang jaka ada kawaipat lada ka Sorkar katmu ban penkendriano ikidukot jangka natem Iewmawlong.
The concerned civil societies also they are concerned about this issue, seeing the demand of the HPC. No doubt of it. Not only the social organization, even the stakeholders, even the citizens of the state, I think they are also concerned, equally concerned about this. So therefore, on that basis, as I said to you, as a government, we wanted to have a reasonable solution to this. Reasonable solution is what? Means we will walk out. That's what I keep telling you again. We have already entrusted Urban Affairs Bank, walk out all the details, then come back, then we will invite one more time for discussion and talk with the HPC. This discussion is still on. And then from their side, they submitted few issues in the form of resolution that they want this. That is okay. I mean, anybody can do that. But ultimately, from the government side, we will say, we will again call, and then we will again sit down with them once the detailed blueprint is prepared by the Urban Affairs Department, which I've already instructed Urban Affairs Department to go little faster on this issue, then come back, and then we will call them for discussion. Demand can't be heaven also. There's no harm. It can't be heaven also. You want anything you can write, anything you can demand. But ultimately, let us be realistic from both sides. So therefore, I cannot say right now anything on this unless we also from the government side, we prepare all the details and then we will give it to them. Whether you like it or not, whether it's acceptable to you or not, but from the government side, we walk out responsibly towards a permanent solution.